The question says give condensed and bond line structure formula and identify the functional group present, if any, for the compounds. Three compounds are given there. For them, we have to write condensed as well as bond line structure formula and identify functional group if present. Okay. First one we have 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. Okay. First of all, we can write the structure. Okay, pentane, this is the parent chain is there. How many carbon? Pentane, 5 carbon are there. Okay, so we have 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon are there. Okay, we have 2, 2, 4 trimethyl, 1, 2 methyl group, here also methyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 methyl group is there. Okay, so we got bond line structure formula. Okay, bond line structure formula. Let's say if I have to go for a condensed formula, you can see this is what we have. CH3 is there, this is CH3 is there. It does not have any hydrogen because it is forming already 4 bond. It is CH3 is there, we have CH3 is there, this is CH3 is there. Okay, this carbon has 1 hydrogen. Okay, so condensed formula, we have CH3 to this carbon, 2 alkyl group are attached. So we can write this is what CH, because to this carbon you can see this carbon is forming only 3 bond, means 1 hydrogen is present. Okay, and to this carbon 2 alkyl group are attached, so we can mention CH3, it is whole twice is there, then whole twice. Next, then we have this is what CH2, because this carbon is forming 2 bond, means 2 hydrogen are attached, we can mention CH2 is there. Next, you can see this carbon does not form any, does not have any hydrogen because it is forming 4 bond. This is quaternary carbon, and to this quaternary carbon how many alkyl group are attached? 3 alkyl groups, so we can mention CH3 and it is whole thrice is there. This is the compound we got, this is the condensed structure. And in this case we do not have any functional group because we have only carbon, only carbon, hydrogen are present. So this is what saturated hydrocarbon, only single bond is present. Okay, so this is line structure. We can remove this CH3 to determine this condensed form. I have written CH3, otherwise if I remove this CH3 then it will be bond line structure. Move on for the next one, 2-hydroxy 1,2,3 propane tricarboxylic acid. Very interesting compound we have. Okay, next we have 2-hydroxy 1,2,3 propane, this is the parent chain, and tricarboxylic acid. Okay, so propane, how many carbon are there? 3 carbon, 1 and 2 and it is 3 is there. Okay, tricarboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, to each carbon COOH group is attached, COOH group is there. This is the functional group, we got the functional group. But it says to the second carbon 2-hydroxy to the second carbon we have OH group is attached. Okay, so if you want to show the bond line structure, so we have first, it is second and it is third. Okay, third carbon is there. In this case we can mention OH, here we have COOH is there, and here we have COOH is there, here also we have COOH is there. This is the bond line structure formula. Condensed structure, so you can satisfy the valency by attaching hydrogen. Okay, satisfy the valency of carbon by attaching hydrogen. CH2, this carbon does not have any hydrogen because it is already forming 4 bond, and in this case it is also CH2. Okay, we have CH2. To this CH2 we have COOH group is attached. Okay, and then we have this is what quaternary carbon. To this quaternary carbon OH group is also attached and COOH group is also attached. And next we have CH2, then we have CH2 is there, and to this CH2 COOH group is attached. So this is the condensed structure. Okay, CH2 COOH, COH COOH, CH2 COOH. Okay, and in this case you can see the functional group. We have 2 functional group. This is what OH hydroxy functional group, and this is what we have COOH. This is what acid functional group is there. 2 functional group are present. Okay, next we have hexane diol. Okay, hexane diol, means aldehyde group is present. Hexane diol. Hexane diol. Okay, so in this case hexane, how many carbon are there? We have hexane 6 carbon are there. So C, C and C and C and C. How many carbon? 5, and this is 6 carbon is there. Okay, hexane diol, so we can mention COO and it is S is there. In the last 2 aldehyde group are present. Hexane diol. Okay, Satisfy the valency of carbon by attaching hydrogen H2. It is H2, it is H2, and this is H2, and this is already forming 4 bond. Okay. Now, how many carbon are there? 6. So line structure 1, 2, 3, it is 4, and it is 5, and it is 6 is there. Mention functional group. In line structure, we mention functional group. Okay, it is H is there. Here also you can mention it is C, and it is double O, and it is H is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the bond line structure. Now if we go for the condensed formula, so we can see in this case how many CH2 are there. Total number 4 are there. So we can mention this is what CH2 whole 4 is there. Left side also we have CHO group, right side also CH2 group is there. CHO group is there. So you can see 2 group are there. So CH2 whole 4 is there. This side CHO, that side also CHO. So this is the condensed formula is there. Okay, and in this case what are the functional group? We have aldehyde. This is what we have, aldehyde group is present. Okay, so in first case we do not have any functional group. In this case, second case we have OH as well as COOH. In the third case we have aldehyde, CHO group is present. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.